Okay, I've come to notice this in Zambia. I think everyone wants to be a celebrity in Zambia. Everybody wants to be a celebrity. And there's a lot of musicians in Zambia. My uncle is a musician, my auntie is a musician, my young brother, my young sister, my big sisters, my whatsoever. Everyone, they are musicians, and everyone is a comedian. Nowadays, everyone is taking things for granted. Once you just see something, more especially comedians, once you just see something on Facebook, you just want to make sure that you make comedy over it. You see something on Facebook, you just want to talk over it. It's either it's personal whatsoever. That's why mperekana kumakoti. That's why musuingana. Why? Because of the same mentality that everyone is having in their mindset. Thinking of what you are doing is right, but it's wrong. Nowadays, everyone really wants to be a celebrity. You see our auntie, ni ma musician, banko ni ba comedian. Me, I'm a musician. My friend is a musician. My neighbor is a musician. In fact, my father is a musician. Everyone is a musician. Everyone is a comedian. Everyone is a celebrity. More especially when it comes to social media stuff. Everyone wants to be a celebrity. And everyone wants to take that opportunity to... Everyone wants to take that opportunity so that someone can start following their pages. Some of them, they're opening fake pages, they're opening this and that. If you start watching some comments, what people always comment about things, I really know someone get hate over it. Once the issue of some of you, okay, I don't really understand, like the issue of nkani ya munyumba mambo epeleka pa social media, my relationship yanu enda pa social media. What are you benefiting? What do you gain over it? What do you get about it? Do you get paid over it? Are you trying to expose yourself, or you are trying to show off so that people, they should know that you are breaking up, or you are doing fine, or it's just comedy? Because a lot of people nowadays, they are taking social media for fun. But social media is one thing which you can benefit over it. It's either marketing, your groceries and everything, you can start doing your investment, you can start doing something big over social media. Then you start doing useless things on social media, talking about this and that. More especially my youth nowadays is, we like commenting. Once we just see something, you comment. Some of you, that's why I'm missing. You are good at commenting, shouting. Oh, no, look at his shit. Look at his eyes. Hey, I can end up barber shop. Hey, shan. Do you know how many circumstances people go through? Even though someone just shoot a video, you want to talk over it. You see anything. Look at that grass. Look at that shan. Hey, you comment. People you talk in Zambia. It's really hard for you to act. But talk. You talk too much. That's why it's still a made Zambians. That's why it's panda. And quite alright. A lot of musicians nowadays, they are rushing for fame. Wow, you really know that your music is really poor. You are rushing for fame. The fame which you are rushing for is really nothing. Work on your music and then you start looking for fame. That's why mapeza titambo panda tikali bafana. Tambo kufana fast in time. Why? Because of the same situation which we always want. We always want to put ourselves on that level. Hey, I'm a celebrity. Just because you do one song, and then you think like Mwafika. Yeah, that's why Mulungu mwadi amagwesa. That's why I find that music in Zambia, we may do this and that, but there's nothing that you can benefit over it. Because we are lashing for fame. Everyone is lashing for fame. Wanizibe, wakaniziba. Fame? What's fame? What's fame? Are you getting money over it by you being known? You have to be known, and your music, you are doing fine. Everyone loves your music. Not you are known, your music is poor. When it comes to my voices, your voice. When it comes to dressing, and to corner my comments, okay, yeah, fame. There's not a problem. Yes, you can be famous, but it's just a matter of how you control yourself. Your music, your dressing, everything that you do, your behavior and your attitudes, and the attention which you always give to people. Do you listen to what people tell you in your pages? Do you get everything what people tell you? Because you always lash for fame. That's why you find out that my time will come. I'll be famous. I'll be everywhere. I'll be known. God's time is the best. Why are we lashing to be known? Wow, we are not doing well. Ukarugona pasit, ukarusungiwa kanguri wandani. I'm a celebrity, ndine musician. Mwaiwara pamuchetekera sapa, vamai vaenda okusevenzera nuko vakuletere mubwire mudye. Ndimo va celebrity. A celebrity aenda na mendo akwenda na bus achitonopandirira ma 5 kwacha mabasi. But you are famous. You are famous. Yes, you are famous. Where is your music? Where is your music? What do you do in your music? Nothing. That's why I tip under. That's why I tip under. Just for us to be famous. Because of the same thing which we always go through. We always want to be on that level. In life, being humble is good. Everyone is looking for fame. On Facebook, more especially on Facebook, everyone can post my post support kama lipira ka 50 kwachi kama lipira ka chani kani ku page branch vakulipirirani vakupostani nkoni kwa siri apo manje nishimufuna follow my page everyone aliyense afuna nkana fame aliyense afuna nkala ozibika pa Zambia. That's why you find that we don't cooperate. And a lot of jealous. Jealous. Why? Because everyone wants to be known. When you go to comment sections, we see how people talk. You can get frustrated. You can get pissed off over it. You just don't know. Social media. If you really follow social media a lot, you really follow social media a lot, and most of the times, you always waste time on social media, I'm telling you. Social media is something else which can kill you. It's just social media. Na mafoni ya battery yaite wachitofaka kona suitable. And then you are busy commenting useless things on your friends' pages. In Zambia, we have to change. This mentality which we always have won't take us anywhere. If we see our friends, what they do out there, they're really busy working hard each and every day. But what we do in Zambia is just being on Facebook, commenting useless stuff on our friends' pages. It's really bad. It's really bad. That was just my encouragement. That's all.